Ever wondered how a single hormone can influence your overall health and well-being? Today, we're diving deep into the world of testosterone and how you can support its health for a balanced life. Testosterone isn't just a male thing. Both men and women benefit from this primary male sex hormone, from regulating your sex drive to determining your muscle mass and even your bone density. Testosterone plays a pivotal role. Want to lead a healthy life? Ensuring optimal testosterone levels is the key. Let's explore some strategies and lifestyle changes to support testosterone health. First up, let's talk about the power of movement. Did you know that simply engaging in regular physical activity can boost your testosterone levels? Whether it's resistance training like weightlifting or high-intensity interval training, exercise is your testosterone's best friend. And if you're looking for resources on weight management, there's a plethora of fitness magazines and websites out there. Next, let's dive into the world of nutrition. Your diet can make or break your testosterone levels. Embrace a diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, lean proteins, and complex carbs. Some testosterone champions include lean meats, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, legumes, leafy greens, and cruciferous veggies. Now, let's talk about the magic of sleep. Sleep isn't just for dreams. It's essential for your testosterone too. Strive for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night to keep your testosterone levels in check. Next up is stress. It's something we all deal with, but did you know it can impact your testosterone? Chronic stress can be a testosterone killer. Elevated cortisol levels from prolonged stress can suppress its production. So, take a deep breath, meditate, or dive into a hobby to keep stress at bay. Ever heard of IV therapy for testosterone? This innovative method is making waves in testosterone health. By delivering essential nutrients directly into your bloodstream, IV therapy ensures maximum absorption, addressing hormone imbalances head-on. Let's touch on a sensitive topic: alcohol and drug use. Limit alcohol and drug use. Too much alcohol or drug use can be detrimental to your testosterone levels. For optimal hormonal balance, moderation is key. Feeling off? It might be time to see a professional. If something feels amiss, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare expert. They can guide you on treatments like testosterone replacement therapy. Remember, this content is based on interpretation. Always consult a medical professional before making any decisions. Supporting your hormones is the foundation of well-being. By embracing exercise, nutrition, sleep, stress management, and innovative treatments like IV therapy, you're on the path to a balanced life. And if you're considering hormone treatment, always ensure there's a medical need and consult professionals like us at AAI Rejuvenation Clinic. Want to learn more? Head to our website at aaiclinics.com.
AAI Clinics, no excuses, just results. Give us a call for a free consultation with one of our clinical advisors.